You ever walk into a restaurant and immediately say, yeah, this is my kind of vibe? That was me at Timpano in Fort Lauderdale. Dim lighting, beautiful ambiance, and most importantly, booth seating. Because if I'm gonna be eating good, I need to be comfortable. I need ample back support. The mussels came out hot and fresh. These are actually my favorite. Tuna tartare, uncooked to perfection. If you're not boring and enjoy tuna tartare, you should try this one from Timpano. We enjoyed some red wine to set the mood. Now let's dig in. We shared the cacio e pepe, which was creamy and light. If you love great Italian pasta, this is the place to be. My bodyguard went for the veal, which is baby cow, poor baby. And I had the filet mignon from its father, with no sauce, trying to watch my figure, paired with a Caesar salad, which was incredible. Because I'm pushing 30, the wine was trying to lambaste me, so I combated that with a double espresso shot. I'd give the food at Timpano a 10 out of 10, and the service 10 out of 10, ambiance 10 out of 10, me a 10 out of 10. Thanks for watching. Ciao.